Hey traders, Control the Trade here, and we're looking at Palantir Tech, PLTR, looking at a daily chart right now. And one of the reasons I'm looking at this is that they're reporting earnings Tuesday morning, the 16th. So let's take a look at the chart and see what it's telling us. Remember, when you watch my videos, strictly looking at the chart, the technicals. Rarely do I look at the fundamentals, and I'm just looking at what I'm going to refer to as important prices, magnetic prices. We're going to look at the moving averages, the candles. Keep it real simple. That's the way I learned. So you can see the last 3 trading days have been incredibly bearish. However, we're in a nice uptrend. There's not a lot of information on this chart, as this is a relatively new stock, and as a chartist, as a trader, you want more information on the chart that you can use to your advantage. But there's enough information on this chart right now where we can chart some high probability support and resistance areas. And a couple things stand out to me. Number one, we just broke the 20-day moving average, it looks like, for the first time in a while. 20-day SMA is 32.82, and we closed at, well, under that, about under 32. 30 would be an area to watch. Let's say that the market perceives the earnings negatively. We could get a spike down below the 50 period moving average, and I think we could challenge the low of this candle here, shake a lot of traders out. And the low of this candle here is 25.82, while the 50-day moving average is at 28.68. So somewhere in this zone I could see it spiking, plus I have my number here of 30 as a good area of support. You can see that this is also a former breakout area, and an area that was rejected multiple times until we pushed through this day right here. And we've been in a nice uptrend since, kind of creating this new leg up now from this consolidation into this area. 45, of course, is the bull case here. That's what we want to challenge if we're bullish on this stock. What you want to see is a gap up over 33.50. That would be incredibly bullish too, or above the resistance of these 3 days right here. So somewhere above 38.25 would be ideal. And then we'll test the high of this candle here if that happens at about 42, and then of course try to run up to 45. But always with earnings are always a coin flip. If you've watched my videos, you've probably heard me say that before. So it's better to wait until we see the market reaction and then jump into a trade. Earnings give traders an opportunity because there's more liquidity on days where earnings are reported. There's more volume, more buyers and sellers, and more attention on that ticker, on that stock. I know I'll be setting alerts, so let's do that right now. Always want to set my alerts so that we're aware when the stock will come into our price. So this is an important area too. We'll create an alert here. Now if we break below this candle at some point, there's a big difference between spiking through support and creeping down into support. If you're bullish on the stock and you want it to go up, we'd rather see a spike down, clear everybody out, and then you should see a price reaction. You should see some buyers in this area. But if we start to creep down slowly and start breaking support, that's what you don't want to see. That would be the bear case. So we really have to see how price reacts. We have to see how the market reacts. And I'll probably try to go live with this stock tomorrow. So I think it's going to be very active. I think it's going to present a lot of opportunity. So good luck tomorrow. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and please like this video. It helps me out and I appreciate it very much. And as always, remember, don't let the trade control you.